1. Hello guys, welcome to this video where you will learn how to get huge discounts on NordVPN. Before we get right into the video, I'd appreciate if you can click the like button and drop the comment. NordVPN discount is amazing in the comment section so that the algorithm will allow more people get to see how amazing this trick is. If you have done that, you can now go on with this video to get your 74% discount on your NordVPN subscription. First thing you have to do is go to the description of this video. That is where you will find the link to get this amazing offer. Like I said, you have to follow the process from the beginning to the end. After you have clicked the link, you will find yourself on this page. The next thing you need to do is click this button right here. Then immediately you will be provided with the 74% off discount and a 30 days guarantee, alongside 2 extra months free subscription. This is literally the best offer anywhere on the internet, and you are getting this updates for free on this channel. I believe you know you should subscribe for more fantastic offers. After you decided which package you will love to go for, you click on it and proceed to checkout. That's all. Do well to also share this video to your friends and family so that they can also benefit from this fantastic offer. All the best.